I will show you how to move Epic Games to another drive. First, log into your Epic account. Then, select the game you want to move. Click Manage. Find the installation location of the game folder. You can see this game folder is on local disk D. I want to move it to local disk E. The way I copy the game file. Then create a new Epic Games folder on local disk E. After that, paste the game folder file. My suggestion is to differentiate the file names. Then go back to the Epic Games page. Then uninstall the game. After the game is finished uninstalling, you reinstall it by placing the game folder in the file we just created on local disk E. After that, click Install. After the download is running, you cancel. Make sure there is a resume text here. Go to the local disk E game file. Then cut all the game files that were at the beginning and paste into the newly created folder. After that, resume downloading the game. Wait until finished. Congratulations, you have successfully moved the game installation folder.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.